Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google Forms or Google Drive where your form lives. This ensures you're working on the correct account and file. Once done, scan the list or use search to find the precise form name. Duplicates are common, so confirm creation date or responses. Make sure you have owner access, otherwise you cannot delete. If you see the form in Drive, right-click to reveal Quick Options and prepare to delete from the container that permanently stores it. Now perform the deletion. In Google Drive, right-click and choose Move to Trash, or inside Google Forms, click the three-dot menu and select Move to Trash. Either path works. You do this because Drive is the single source of truth. Make sure to check for linked sheets and unlink or copy data first if you need responses later. Once moved to Trash, items remain recoverable for 30 days. This gives you a safety window if you change your mind. To finish, open Drive Trash and empty it to permanently remove the form. This step is irreversible, so confirm first. If you cannot find or delete the form, make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you are the owner. Shared editors cannot permanently delete. If a linked spreadsheet remains, clean it up separately. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion fails, check for offline sync or mobile app caching, sign out and back in, then retry from Drive on desktop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.